Welcome to the 21st century, where everyone is in a mad rush to reach nowhere. It's like a marathon with no finish line. Isn't it amusing? We're all caught in this whirlwind of constant action, racing against time, with the illusion that speed equals success. It's like we're all rats in an ever-speeding wheel, chasing after the cheese of achievement. But have you ever wondered what it would be like to step out of this endless race? So, are you ready to jump off this never-ending treadmill and embrace the art of slow living? Get ready, because we're going to break down 3 simple steps to begin slow living. Step 1, the mindful morning routine. Because nothing screams slow living like refusing to jump out of bed at the first buzz of your alarm. It's a simple shift, really. Instead of catapulting out of bed and into the day, consider a more leisurely approach. Picture this. You wake up, stretch a little, maybe even meditate. You're not just waking up your body, but your mind too, setting the tone for a calm, positive day ahead. This isn't about laziness. Oh no, it's about intention. You're choosing to start your day on your terms, not the world's. And here's the real kicker. Avoid the digital world first thing in the morning. I know it's tough, real tough. But trust me, the emails, the texts, the endless scrolling, they can wait. You're dedicating the first moments of your day to self-care and reflection. Remember, the world can wait. Your morning belongs to you. Give us a like if you found this helpful. Step 2, the digital detox. It's like a spa day for your brain, minus the fancy bathrobes and cucumber slices. Picture this. You're carving out a slice of your day, a sacred time where screens are as welcome as a skunk at a garden party. It's not about going back to the Stone Age, folks. It's about reclaiming your time from the digital overlords. What do you do in this newfound oasis of off-screen time? Perhaps it's time to dust off that book you've been meaning to read, or how about a nice stroll in nature? Or simply sit and be present with your thoughts. It's your world, so put down that smartphone and enjoy your life, where the pixels are real and the battery doesn't run out mid-conversation. Step 3, create a minimalist space, because who needs all that stuff anyway? It's just collecting dust. So let's talk about decluttering. It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of finding gold, you're discovering space. Start small, a drawer, a corner, and work your way up. You'd be surprised how much you don't need. That bobblehead from 3 jobs ago, probably not sparking joy. And about maintaining this newfound zen? Try the one in, one out rule. It's simple. For every new item you bring in, one old item must go. It's like a bouncer for your stuff, maintaining a perfect balance. Remember, in the world of slow living, less is more. Except for time, of course. There, you want more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can do it slowly if you like.